This is the open auditorium.
Andhra University was constituted in the year 1926. The 94-year-old institution is not just one of the oldest educational institutions in the country, but is also the first to be conceived as a residential and teaching affiliated university. The QS World University Rankings of 2020 ranked it 351 to 400 in Asia. It was ranked 36 in India overall by the National Institutional Ranking Framework in 2020 and 19 University. The university presently is offering 313 courses in arts, commerce, management, science and technology, engineering, law, pharmacy and education. The university is spread in a sprawling campus of 422 acres dotted with 121 buildings of academics, administrations and support services with a plinth area about 20 lakhs square feet and 324 staff quarters.
This is the main building of AU.
Basically, my main blog is studying from this place, and this is in gate. From here my department is very near, and also the international office, and I have some work in international office, so I'm studying from here. I don't know how much I will be able to show you guys, as I already told that campus is huge, like it's only in one campus and like half of the city is AU campus. So let's come with me. After entering by in gate, the first building is registrar office. Then now we are working few steps. There are a lot of historical things you can see at AU campus. This way now we are going to Central Library.
Let's come with me. You will see how beautiful the road is. It's actually like a hill station.
This is, I think, botany department. You can see
How beautiful and peaceful this road is. There is too many trees, and in middle the road is. So yeah, it's like peaceful. I'm just happy to be in AU for this beautiful campus and huge campus. But actually I didn't get in my previous university.
See, there is department inside everywhere. Even I don't know all of this. I think this is my department. I am from another side. I am shooting, so I was not sure. So yeah, I'll show it from front, as now we are going to library. So here is the Central Library. Though I came by backside road, now I'm shooting from front side. Though I wanted to shoot from near, but they told me not to shoot. So from library I back. Now this is my department, and I will show more about my department. I'll go inside also, as this is my department, and I'm really proud to be in AU for my MBA.
Yeah, just come with me. I'll show you my department.
Andhra University Department of Commerce and Management Studies. This is my department where I'm pursuing my MBA. So yeah, this is the seminar hall, and this all are classrooms. We used to have our class before Corona, and see, even in Vizag and every places, like in university, every side every places you will get these trees and greenery things, and that's the reason I like Vizag a lot. That I already tell many times. And yeah, this all are my classroom. And maybe from that side, I already told that maybe it's my department. Actually, this is from front side. From that side, I was confused that this is my department. Actually, yeah, this is my department. All are closed now. Last 6 months, we are not having our class. Now I'm going to the first floor to show what is there.
So this is first floor. Here also we have our class, and I I don't know again when we will start our offline class again. I miss class and my classmates.
Going to the second floor. In second floor we never have our class. Maybe after open we can get, because now we are second year student, and for specialization maybe we can get our class now here.
Here is the seminar hall. It's the professor's room. And this is incubation center.
Opposite of my department there is a branch of Indian Institute of Management.
So I came out from my department. So here is the canteen, and here is the ground of AU, and back of that you can see the central canteen. Everyone is playing. I think they don't scared about corona at all. See, they are playing without any mask. Many people are there. Even girls playing with the boys.
And no one concerned about that. It's very normal matter here.
Okay, this is international office for international students. Basically, for our official work, we come here. This way, I'm going to law department. Basically, all of the building look like same from outside, as is very old university. So you can get this.
So there is also a branch of State Bank of India. If we need any bank related work, we can do it there. Isn't it so beautiful? This is actually representing how people used to farming before, as this is a very old university. And you can see there is moot court hall also there. And there is some hostel.
This is Department of Geology. Even I never noticed all of this department before. Now for video to the map which side what we can get, as it's a huge campus. Even suddenly if someone they can lost. Oh, I don't know how much I can show today. It's already evening, so maybe everything I can show. I think this is a boys hostel, I'm not sure. I'm already too tired. Even I didn't walk half of the campuses. And I was talking with mask, so my voice sounds like weird. This is the most beautiful place at AU campus, that is called Open Auditorium. If you watch South movies, you can maybe saw these places. is the open auditorium. There is no people, so I'm shouting. Oh my god, there are a lot of department. I'm getting tired by showing all of this. This is maybe biochemistry.
So this is physics department. This is also a beautiful building, but as it's already evening, so it's not visible. That's why I shoot a bit from Google to show you how beautiful it is.
Now I'm going back as it's already evening. I maybe not shoot even half of the campus, and this is only one campus. There are many more campus like.
This is our department exam taking building.
And this is our gate. Basically we use this most for enter the campus. I'm finishing my today's vlog here. If you like my vlog, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And also click on the bell icon for getting my next videos on time. Here we can take book, we can study, all the things we can do, all the things we can do. But now I forget to talk. They are telling not to take videos, but after that also we are taking just for my vlog. So now I'll show the around places. Come with me.